Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give decimal value, and then we will convert into octal equivalent using PHP programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, fan, and most importantly to my subscribers for always supporting my videos, watching my videos in YouTube, leaving comments and suggestion and likes. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Before we can write a program in PHP, we must make sure that our SAMP, the Apache web server, is running, or else we create an error. So here we have output, $output, PHP tag, and then display the result. In PHP, there is a function called decoct, decimal to octal. This function will convert any decimal value to octal. So we have here HTML, and then the title decimal to octal in PHP. We will just walk through. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. We have here the style, CSS, body, form, header 2, label, button, padding input, button, and then we have here the output. Now the main code is here, the form method post, header 1 decimal to octal in PHP excuse me, written by yours truly, J.R. Pomperada, Maida IT, MIT. And then here we are asking the user to give a number to convert. So the variable here is txt number, and then when we click the button post, this value is being sent. This will retain the value here on the top. Okay, and then we have here the output, and then we close our form, and then the body in HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, let us go with our browser, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, we are running here. Let's say we have 45. When I click the button convert to octal, the equivalent of 45 is 55. Another example, 1000 convert to octal, the equivalent value of 1000 is 1750 in octal. Another example, 89. When we click the convert to octal button, the equivalent of 89 is 131 in octal value. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of decimal to octal in PHP programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.